Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our leather 3-in-1 wipes. For those of you who are already familiar with our leather 3-in-1, we're introducing wipes as a quick, convenient way to take advantage of this popular formula. Leather 3-in-1 is known for cleaning, conditioning, and protecting your leather in one easy step. Rich conditioners in these wipes penetrate the leather grain to moisturize, soften, and keep leather looking, feeling, and smelling factory fresh. Advanced polymers create a stain-resistant barrier to protect against UV damage, premature aging, and cracking. This formula dries clear and leaves no glossy residue behind to maintain an original appearance. Each wipe is pre-saturated with the perfect amount of product for 2 average-sized seats. They are ideal for perforated leather surfaces because the cleaning solution resists buildup that can be produced by heavier leather products. Since the wipes leave the perfect amount of product behind, there's no need to worry about unsightly clogged perforations. Super convenient, all-in-one leather care for any situation that can be used anytime, anywhere. A drive-through mishap where your kid dumps his entire milkshake, a commuter coffee on the loose in your interior, or the great American road trip where dirt and grime can wreak havoc are all great reasons to keep these wipes in your center console or glove box. Plus, they're great for regular maintenance between more thorough cleanings. Thank you for watching. For more information on our leather 3-in-1 wipes, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.